trailer. Oh.
Did he? Did she?
Okay, that's enough. Alright, special request for the intro. Welcome back to Uncle James's latest video. And we got Scotty here.
Yeah, my guys. we are up with another video. We're just going in my Auntie Zara's racing car.
Yeah, we are.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. Make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe and share.
Yes, that's it. Perfect.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get it, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Alright, so we got Scotty here, my little nephew, and he's been bugging me for how many months now you want to go in the car? Like 3 months?
No. 6 months.
6 months, yeah, probably your whole life.
Yeah.
So he's sat in the cars before, and when you were really little, we went up the street a couple of times, but you got very scared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm not scared because I've been on the motorbike and I've been quick as lightning.
Yeah, you have. So his dad's got a motorbike, like a Harley. Is it a Harley?
Yeah.
Yeah, like an old Harley. A new Harley, actually.
Yeah.
He's got a new Harley. So he's had a bit of experience with G-forces and stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna do a test run because at Matsuri, which is the drift event you keep talking about, you're gonna come passenger.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a quick warm-up run and just see how he fits in the seat. Probably end up getting like a booster seat so you can see. I think it's like 7 weeks. I can't change the amount of weeks. I think it's 7 weeks. So I think we're about 7 weeks out from Matsuri, so we've got heaps of time. But yeah, it's a perfect time right now to do a test run.
Yeah, my guy.
Yeah, my guy. Yeah.
Shy.
Oh no, we're gonna have to edit that out. What was that?
It's a TikTok thing.
Oh, it's a TikTok thing.
What I learned from Caitlin.
Oh. Alright, anyway, so I think we're gonna end up with a booster seat in there. I've seen people do it before in their drift cars. You don't reckon, eh? You reckon you'll be able to see?
Yeah.
Alright. So first up, just got to lift the car up. I actually did an oil change on it, which it would be surprise a lot of people. Did it yesterday, just to like, I don't know, I thought it was a good idea, and I was buying oil for the D-Max at the same time. So, done a service on the old S13 LS1. If you're new to the channel, this is the car here. It's actually Zara's drift car that I drive like a lot more than her. Actually, we should see if Auntie Zara wants to come down and have a drive later. She can have a go as well. Yeah.
How about I sit on your lap and then...
Can't sit on my lap.
Yeah, I can.
It's a bit dangerous. We could, but probably just put you in the seat with a seatbelt.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so what we're going to do is lift it up. I've got to put the bash plate back on, do a couple of things, but I'm going to leave the side skirts off, the front and rear bars off. Don't even have them, by the way. They died. They got destroyed. The bumper bars. Zara killed the front one, I killed the rear one.
On that one?
No, this one here. Yeah, sorry about that.
You need to get another one.
Yeah, we do. I've been looking for them. But I'm going to leave them off because it's a bit bumpy out here. We've just had the backyard fully overhauled, and so the backyard's maxed out as much as it can get now. Plenty of room here. Alright, got my head in it. Okay, cool. So I'm going to do those couple little things and then set up a little track with some cones out the backyard and do some, we're just going to drive, we're not going to do skids.
No, please.
No. We can't drift, we have to go to the track.
We can drift on
Yeah. Of course we're going to drift. I was just joking.
Yeah, my guy.
Yeah, my guys. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So Scotty's just out here setting up the track. We've got a bit more room this time. We've got like a full figure 8 space here, which is pretty freaking cool. Alright, so Scotty's come in the car. Yep. First time in the drift car.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? It's not going to be that loud because I've got the muffler on there, right?
Was it?
Yeah.
Was it a good time?
Yeah.
Do you reckon you could do it?
After I might go again.
Now the girls are having a go. Second. Zara's been hanging to drift for ages.
Move back.
Okay. Hit the trailer. Oh.
Did he? Did she?
Okay, that's enough. That was so close. You got so close to the trailer.
She's good.
How'd you stall it, mate?
Oh, I just when it would stop over my socks.
Oh, you're in your socks. That doesn't help. Okay, do you wanna park it over there in front of the garage?
Yeah.
No, that's all. That's
Can
it.
I go one more? All of us, one more, please.
No, that's all.
Can I, please?
No.
Please, one more. Can I please do it one more? Please, can I do it one
Yeah, so, yeah, plenty of dust.
I was like, oh my god, I don't know if I'm videoing it because I couldn't see it ticking round.
There's keto. Yep. Nice.
And I'm doing
Yeah, keep going. I got it. We should get that painted on the car, eh?
Yeah.
You just plug in your own channel.
What's your thingy?
James Nolland. Yep. How you do? Nice, that's right. And then Scotty, do your signature. Do your autograph. Just a scribble. Nice. Now I can say Scotty signed my car and so did Caitlin.
Well, I'll do mine.
Have you got one? Oh, CB. Sea breezy.
Stop, Scotty.
The whole car's getting lit.
Okay, auntie's off.
What'd you think anyway, Scotty?
Don't, Scott.
Do you reckon you'll be right on the track?
Yours?
Could you see out the window?
Do you want to sit in the car?
You could.
Get into the steering wheel
You can.
and I'll take a photo.
Okay. And just like that, she's all clean. Looking pretty rugged without a front and rear bar and side skirts. Definitely looks like a missile. But anyway, hopefully we'll add another Matsuri sticker on here soon. Which will be really freaking awesome. Super keen for Matsuri. Like anytime you do skids, you just get that little bit of adrenaline and it just makes you want to like really unleash, you know. But the good news is we can do figure eights in the backyard now. There's enough space for it. And you could even have a little circuit where you go around that tree if you've got to move a couple of things, and you could easily get around there and do all sorts of shit in here, which was sick. I was super worried when Zara was coming around for that freaking trailer. Like, she reckons she's seen it there, and the tyre mark is close, like, sort of, but from where I was, it looked bloody close, and I was just like, ugh, expecting a bang, but I'm glad she didn't hit that, because that would do some damage. Freaking trailer hitch. Anyway, good job, babe, for missing that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Scotty had a blast. He pretty much calls me every day and asks how many days until Matsuri, or the race car day. So yeah, I guess the countdown's on. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you got kids, you would definitely enjoy that one. Yeah, kids are awesome, but they do get on your nerves sometimes if they keep asking you the same question over and over. But it's good, teach you patience. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you did enjoy this episode. Everything is dusty, so maybe in the comments, if you made it this far, drop the word dust. because we love some dust. I don't know. It's a new thing I'm doing. And I appreciate all you guys that are staying all the way through the video. That's so cool. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Definitely gonna hit the trailer. Oh.
Did he? Did she?
Okay, that's enough.